see what it looks like when it's all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good
Okay,
job.
put it in the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last one. Put it in the purple. Okay, can you count? Say 1,
2,
3,
3,
4. Say 4,
4,
5, 6. Say 6.
6,
Say 7.
8,
Say 9.
10.
Good job. Okay, let's see how it looks.
Mikey told me
Get
how.
out.
He colored eggs
Ooh,
today.
lots of
and he did
colors.
1, 2,
Okay,
3,
put it
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mikey
Right
did.
here?
I mean Brett.
Okay, we have one more.
Mama.
What color do you want it in? Pick a color.
You want to do half and half?
Boo.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
You can do a he-hawks.
I got it.
A he-hawks.
I got it.
By taking that and putting it in there and
I
dipping
got
it
it.
halfway.
Yeah, I did it on one of them.
Oh, you got
I
a
did
he-
pink and blue. I
you
think.
got a
You want to
he-hawk
see
one?
my egg?
No, just a pink and blue.
Want to see what my egg looks like?
What is it?
Mickey Mouse.
And?
Oh, cool.
And?
It's pretty hot.
Who's that?
Mickey Mouse.
That's Minnie.
Okay.
You can have a purple one too. That'd be good.
You can do this broken one and we can throw it away when it's done.
Oh, it'll be eatable.
Should we make a Seahawk one?
Let's do a he-hawk.
Okay. We'll do half green.
She got. This is hot. This is hot flag.
Did you see the Seahawk flag?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's a boo.
Who did you see run today?
Oh.
Who ran today?
Rachel.
Yeah.
Rachel ran.
Mm-hmm.